Hello friends, welcome once again. So in the last video we have seen about zero-shot prompting. In this session we will see about one-shot prompting. So let's understand when to use this one-shot prompting, right? So let's understand what is one-shot prompting, right? So in zero-shot prompting we are just giving simple prompts. We are not giving any example. There might be a chance, right, where you will get different kinds of output for the same input. But if we want our output to be constant or concise, right, or precise, right, so we give one example. And when we add an example to zero-shot prompting, then that is called one-shot prompting. Right, so one-shot prompting provides exactly one example to demonstrate what you want. This helps the model to understand the task pattern, format, and style by showing a single instance. Right, it is useful when zero-shot does not give constant result, but you want to keep prompt concise. Right, so this is what the one-shot prompting known as. So when you need format consistent, right? Task requires a specific structure, domain specific terminology, and one-shot result are inconsistent. Then we use one-shot prompting. Now it's enough theory. Let's see some example. So in the same way, I'll have already prepared the example for this for the same. Let me paste it over here so that we can save some time. Now I have pasted the example. So if you remember the story which we are following, right? The e-commerce application. So today is day 5 for the customer who has bought the PC and other stuffs from your e-commerce store, right? So moving forward, the context of the story is your customer who is Aditya, right? He has already received the order. Now what is our task? We need to send a professional email and ask about the product satisfaction, right? So this is what the AI challenge is, right? Once the customer has received the product, automatically AI knows that the order has been delivered, and we need to write a professional email to the customer so that we can know about his experience and how the product is, and right, all those things. So the customer message, package for order this delivered today, gaming laptop, mouse and keyboard all accounted for, right? Now let us write the prompt, right? That's our main challenge. Generate a professional customer service email, respond based on the inquiry. So what we have done, we are giving one example, right? So make sure that when you are writing a one-shot prompt, it is not going to be a generic, right? Means if you want a product review for different products, then this format will be okay. But if you want that instead of product review, you want the customer feedback on something else, then probably this prompt is not going to help, right? So what is written in this prompt, right? Inquiry. Hi. Just wanted to confirm my order arrived safely today. Thanks. Then what is the response? Dear valued customer, thank you for confirming the safe arrival of your order this. We are just giving some dummy order number, right? So actual order number is this. Because this is the example, right? We are delighted your package reached you on time. We hope blah 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 meet expectation. If you have any question or concern about this item, please don't hesitate to reach out. We are here to help, right? And we would also appreciate it if you could share your feedback when you get a chance, right? So this we are giving example. One example, when you add one example to a prompt, right? It's called one-shot prompt. Now generate the response for the inquiry. Now we are adding the customer message, right? Package is this, gaming laptop, blah, 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 this, right? So actual message. Now we are simply, right, we are using the AWS SDK, client.response.create model. We are using this model. Input, right, role is user, content, prompt, temperature. We are setting the temperature 0.6 7. We want some randomness, right, on this, because the email should be somewhat creative, right? And now we are printing it, right? So this is the second example. Let me comment out the second example first. Right? Now let me run it. UV run. So let's see what kind of what kind of email it will generate, right? So it has generated the response for this order which we have followed. So dear Aditya, thank you for the update and confirming delivery your order number this. We are glad to hear your gaming laptop, mouse and keyboard all arrived on the same time, right? So see, in the actual email we have not written all these things, right? We are just giving some example. Now based on the order, it understands that we are talking in this context. Let me clear this. Now we want something concise, right, in a specific format, right? So the story is saying we need to extract and store customer information in our system, right? This should be automatically. So how we can do automatically, right? So again, the customer message is same, right? Aditya Patel here, reach me at blah blah thing, right, regarding this, right? So now we are giving some prompt. Text is this: hi, I am John Smith, email is this, phone is this, order is this, interested in premium support, right? So you need to give the output something like this, right? So now based on this customer message, right, we need something in JSON output. Why? Because if we want to call another API based on this, so the input for that API should be very specific, right? So that's why we want to generate some specific format, right? So let me run the second part and let's see if it able to generate in the JSON format, right? Right now you can see that it has extracted the JSON. Name is this, email is this, phone number is this, order ID is this, and interest is null, because we have not provided the interest, right? Now let me provide the interest as well. So now let me add the interest in the customer message itself, so that let's see if it picks the interest as well. In basic support, right? Let me clear it. Because prompt is static, right? We are not changing the prompt. We are changing the customer message, right, which you are passing, and we are adding this with the prompt, right, which we have written in the backend. Now you have seen that by providing one example, how exactly you can manipulate the output from the LLM, right? So this is what the one-shot prompting is. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe for more upcoming videos on this series. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.